Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone personal hotspot disconnecting. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch the frequency. For that, simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you must look for personal hotspot and you must make sure that personal hotspot is toggled on before you try and do anything with personal hotspot. Once you toggle personal hotspot on your device, what you can do is simply head over to your personal hotspot settings. You must be connected to mobile data network for that. And then what you can do is also head over to battery and then toggle off low power mode. Inside of personal hotspot, you can switch to a 2.4 GHz band instead of a 5 GHz. If that too does not work, what you can do is simply head over to settings on your device and then head over to general, scroll all the way down, hit transfer or reset iPhone, hit reset and then hit reset network settings and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.